Hello everyone! Every step I share in this video has been validated by the mechanics working with me, so don't worry, we'll solve this together. That EV mode unavailable hybrid battery low message can be pretty alarming the first time it appears because your car is basically telling you it can't go into pure electric mode. But don't panic. According to the mechanics, in most cases, it doesn't mean your hybrid battery is dead. What's happening is that the system decides there isn't enough charge or the conditions aren't ideal for using EV mode, so it simply disables that function to protect the battery and inverter. Many have noticed that this message shows up when the hybrid battery is low, usually below a certain charge level. With some light driving and regenerative braking, the battery recharges itself and EV mode becomes available again. Basically, the car is saying, "Not right now, give me a moment to charge." Some drivers even report that after a few minutes of gentle driving, the message disappears and everything goes back to normal. Temperature and speed can also play a role. If it's very hot or very cold, or if you're accelerating hard, the system may decide it's not safe to engage EV mode. This isn't always a fault, it's just the system being cautious. That's why many mechanics mention that sometimes the message appears even when the battery seems to have enough charge, and it disappears once conditions improve or the car stabilizes. Even though the message refers to the hybrid battery, some expert mechanics recommend also checking the 12-volt battery, because if it's weak, it can affect how the system manages electrical components and block functions like EV mode. This doesn't happen all the time, but in several real cases, replacing or recharging the 12-volt battery made electric mode work again without issues.